Hello everyone! Welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Marina and my channel is all about effortless, healthy lifestyle and healthy recipes to help you either lose weight, become more fit, and just overall help you achieve your optimal health, but without sacrificing your favorite foods or going on restrictive diets. Diets like that just do not work. If you're struggling with weight loss or other health issues, I will show you how you can eat an abundance of delicious, amazing food that will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also provide you the nourishment that your body desperately needs. You deserve to feel good, look good, and eat good food. I live in Beverly Hills, California, so living a healthy and active lifestyle is my #1 priority. In this video, I will show you 3 vegan recipes that I love to make when I just want something easy and healthy. I'm using really simple ingredients, but the outcome is so flavorful and like something you would order at a healthy upscale restaurant. Before we get started, let's give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos on how I live a healthy lifestyle here in Beverly Hills. And if you want more food stories, Beverly Hills sites, and fitness motivation, find me on Instagram. Anyway, let's move on to the recipes. ingredients and instructions will be listed down in the description bar if you want to recreate any of these dishes. And if you do, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your creations. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye!